Hey, high leveler, I'm going to show you how you can get the most out of Ask AI by giving feedback to it within the Ask AI UI. My name is Andrew, and let me show you how it works. So we just asked Ask AI about the contacts in my pipelines, and this is what we got back. And let's say we want to change this sort of response and give it some feedback as far as what a good or a bad response is. Now, obviously, we can just thumbs up the helpful icon with the little thumbs up in order to say that it was a good response. But if we want to say it was a not helpful response, we can do a thumbs down and then share our feedback within this pop-up. So we can say if it was a UI bug, if it was not factually correct, if it didn't follow instructions, refused when it shouldn't have, incomplete response, reporting content, or something else. And then we can include some other details, such as it didn't suggest actions to take afterwards. Now, if we think this is a valid piece of feedback, we can click submit, and then this will push it through to the Ask AI team. Now, as we're all using Ask AI, this feedback system really allows us to help the AI learn what types of responses are good, bad, and which ones are most helpful to our business. So make sure you're utilizing this. Instead of getting frustrated and just leave some feedback with the tool using the thumbs up or the thumbs down. If you have any questions about how to use this feature, feel free to refer to the help doc or drop a comment on this video if you're curious about Ask AI. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next one.